It already smells damn good because it's a typical Bengali keema with potatoes. Heat a pan and also heat some mustard oil. Fry 4 potatoes. I'm cooking 1 kilo of keema and this is 4 potatoes. Fry them till they are brown. Remove the potato. Now in the same oil, add some bay leaves, some garam masala and some cumin. I'm adding 5 chopped onions. We'll cook the onions till they are brown. To caramelize it, I'm going to add some sugar and some salt. Now cook this till it's a little brown. Now when the onion looks like this, add a tablespoon of ginger paste, a tablespoon of garlic paste, and I'm putting 10 green chilies because we like it spicy. Put the green chilies according to your taste. Now give this a good mix. Now we'll add 3 tablespoons of curd, beaten curd. Cook it on a low flame till the oil separates. Now when the oil separates, we'll add our masalas. 1 teaspoon turmeric, a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon chili powder optional, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and some salt to taste. Add a little water and cook this till the oil separates. Now the oil has separated. Time to add our tomato. 2 tomato pastes. Once again cook till the oil separates. Now the oil is separated. I'm going to add a kilo of mutton keema. Now we'll just mix the masala into the keema. Once the keema is mixed with the masala, add a cup of water. Now keep cooking this till the water dries up and the oil separates. We're almost there. Keep cooking this till the oil completely separates and the water dries up. Typical Bengali keema with potatoes. Now the oil has separated. I'm going to add the potatoes and some green chilies. I will give it a good mix. Now I'm going to add a little hot water, not too much. A little more. Give it a good mix. If you need to adjust your salt, this is the time. Now we want the keema to cook, so we're going to cover this and cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. Now about 20-25 minutes are over. The keema is cooked and the potatoes are boiled. Now if you like to keep a little gravy, then it's fine. Otherwise, I want to dry this a little more. Bengali mutton keema with potatoes. I won't dry this anymore. The potato will soak in all the water. I'm going to add a little garam masala and I'm going to add a little ghee. My Bengali mutton keema with potatoes is now ready. Though my family likes to eat it with pav, I like having it with rice.